not only become a pilot, but now you're training pilots on how to fly these particular planes. I would have to imagine that you get some great responses, and there are some incredible stories the first time people meet you and find out that you're going to be their instructor.
That's right. That's definitely a guilty pleasure I have, is seeing people's reactions to things. I remember one instance, well, actually, I've done this several times. The airplanes that we fly, they're kind of vintage airplanes, but of course we've rebuilt them and modified them with more horsepower and things. But one thing we've kept pretty well stock is that there's no electrical system on the airplane, so there's no starter. So most of our airplanes we have to throw the propeller through manually, which there's obvious risks there with that. And I've had
everybody knows where this is going.
I've had more than a few students ask me, "Hey, doesn't that scare you? You know, being that close to that prop as you're throwing it through?" And I say, you know, after the first two accidents there, you know, I've learned my lesson, so I've got the form down now.